What's up, guys? Just out here. Ignore the background behind you. So, today we're taking a look at. I'm taking a look at Green River map. I played this map back in FS19, so this map was converted from FS17 all the way to FS19. And for the tour, we are going to take this old 1978 Ford because this thing is so cool, especially if you compare it to that newer Ford next to it. Yeah, these older trucks are so cool. Apparently, I need to get him out of the driveway. I need to get her out of the driveway. Should I wish she wouldn't get hung up on shit. Yeah. So this right here is the house. Sadly, you can't walk into the house, and this garage cannot. I cannot store vehicles in there. Even if I could, it would not be big enough for my two trucks. Though I don't want to store one truck in. I don't want to store this truck in it because I think this truck is so cool, though. So I'm gonna go to that gate. Shut up! Maybe I should have gotten. Maybe I should have gotten this old girl off the road first. This right here, Ford driving right now. This was back when Ford knew how to make good trucks. This is like a really sweet truck right here, inside and out. Yeah, so this is a 1978 Ford F-250. This is a satisfying truck, guys. I'm really satisfied. Yeah, this is a 2000, 2018 GMC's. You know, you're used. I'm not even gonna. The truck's not even that cool. I'm not gonna introduce that truck anymore because I have it in two other maps, so you already know. You know that truck very well. Okay, this right here is a 2020 Ford F450 King Ranch. I'm gonna be giving quite a lot of shit for this truck. I already know I'm gonna be giving quite a lot of shit for this truck. got an animal transport trailer, and then we have the that dump trailer, which both those are towed by one truck. You guys are not allowed to see that. Then right here I have, I'm thinking this is a 2005 Peterbilt. I wasn't trying to get the combine. I'm thinking this is a 2005 Peterbilt. $379. Okay, so apparently I cannot do very many of these videos because my little brother's going to disrupt them and it's gonna make him suck. We have the big ass field right there. I mean, that field is, that field,
No.
and that's all wheat, guys. That, that is like quite a lot, quite some feet long. That's gotta be like a 16 long football field. That's gotta be like a 16-foot long football field. Actually, no, 16 football fields long. Football fields. Not really sure what kind of building this is. Our rare vehicle I have on this map, that 78 Ford, is the coolest because it's an old truck. And old trucks are cool. And these old trucks are cool. These old trucks are awesome. Yeah, the 70s, 80s, and 90s trucks are just badass. I guess this is a could be an animal pasture. I don't know what type of animal pasture this is. This is trying to be honest with you. Let alone do I care. Shit, hit something with my old truck. So this truck will just be a drive around and well, kind of brag about and say, yep, beautiful condition for 1978. Because these new cars are just not cool. Oh, and yeah, we're still playing FS19. You know, there's just really not a whole lot to see as right now on this map. So I think I'm just gonna drive back. This video is awesome. Actually, no, it's not. This truck is sweet though. Yeah, on the Gold Rush Valley map, which is another map I'm playing with, which that map, just like this map, was converted from FS17. I have a Ford, I have a 78 Ford Bronco. I have a 78 Ford Bronco. But you know, well, a lot of you know what 78 Bronco looks like. And I'm gonna go back to the house. Okay guys, that'll be it for this video. Thank y'all for watching. Yeah, so just like daily drive, just like daily for like daily. So for daily drive purposes, we're gonna drive around this thing. It's like for this thing right here is gonna be a daily driver, which you also would hit X on the keyboard to open the tailgate like you would with that old 78 Ford, and the GMC is the same way. And then the F450 had the option of either the F450 had the option of either a uh, either flatbed or regular bed. So I went with the flatbed option. Though I went with the regular bed option. You would also hit X on the keyboard to open the tailgate on that truck. That's gonna be it for this video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Thank y'all for watching.